Here we go.
I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm on your mind. On your mind. I've got 70,000 friends, so I guess I'll be alright. Be alright. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me. I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time. Waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them. One of them. I know someday we could finally be friends, without risk of falling in love again. And I feel now it is time to let you go, without hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me. Someone's missing me, yeah. Feel a loss of balance, loss of balance. But I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts, nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers, scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes, so change your heart.